This is the bottom part. There's 4 paths. There's this path, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. I haven't named these yet. I haven't named most of this. It's like 2 feet tall maybe, but it's got like, I put a 50 here because it's got maybe 50 paths. I don't even know, but yeah, I haven't named anything yet. So if anybody has ideas, I guess. Yeah, but this is the bottom part, and I made it explicitly with the idea that there's going to be a lot of ways in. Yeah, so the main way to get here is through, if I pull this back and try and give a closer look. In here, that's the mixing bowl, right? And where this path, this path, this path here, and then this path over here all come into here and feed these 2 paths, 2 and 3, that I was talking about earlier. But there are many other ways to get into the end part, including specific ways to get here and specific ways to get over here, right? Now I can talk about more of this later in specialized videos, but you've got this here, which bypasses it and goes here. You've got this entrance here, which is the main way to feed into path 1, and this is from this entire section over here, that like entire house, if you will. There's 4 houses, the 1, like 2, 3 around the back, and 4 in the middle. Another way is through here, this little exit onto this freeway ramp, which leads into here. That's one of the ways. And then there's this mini mountain right here, which is fed by the sky bridge. Yeah, and there's 4 paths in here, which is randomized by a 4-way split. You can see it there. And that's where the 4 exits are here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And these paths were very fun to make. They intertwine a lot. Probably gonna make a specialized video on those. And they can feed into here. This one is special, the one that is this one here, the one I'm tapping, because it has a special feed in, which is right here. That's the way I can feed it. And you can also get it naturally. But the cool part is that it jumps over this. If I put it in, you can see that sometimes it goes there, but sometimes that wasn't good. It can jump over and go there. And sometimes sometimes this one that goes out the back here and straight through can also do it like that. But most of the time it goes here and here. There's a path here that goes down the middle here like that. I really like the crisscrossing nature of this end part. It's a lot of fun. And then there's this path down there, very straight, right here, and it goes all the way through and under this. So yeah, that's a thing. That's most of the ways to go here. There are some rare instances though where this marble that's here can go here and then jump onto the roof, and then from the roof it can go into this path. Pretty rare, but I've seen it happen. And a marble that goes from here, this back path, goes all the way here through the wall. You can see that this is the wall here, and into this path. Yeah, that's mostly it. Lastly, there is this feature I call the foxtrot, where it goes through this little hole here, and it goes into this path here. I'm calling these 2 streets, but I don't know what this street should be called, and I don't know what this street should be called, if I'd even call it a street. This one I've decided to call Wall Street because there's a big gray wall here, and this one is going to be called Broad Street because it's kind of wide. It's 3 long instead of 2. Yeah, and then again, that's Foxtrot, and if I put it out the back here and seed it, Every once in a while, it doesn't happen every time, but it can sometimes fall into the other one, and that's, I think, kind of funny. It can go through here. Doesn't happen that often, but it's not supposed to. And then go through here and through here. Yep, and that's all of the ways you can get to pads 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is called Wall Street, 3 is called Broad Street. I'll do deep dives into the rest of this later, maybe. We'll see.